Hello everybody, this video is part 2 in a 4-part series on my channel where I am unboxing DIY denim boxes from ThredUp. So if you guys want to hear more background, go check out my first video, which was uploaded yesterday. Main idea is I'm going to go through this box, show you guys what they sent. The box cost around $22. This box should have 20 pounds of jeans in it, which will be about 20 pairs of jeans. And I will show you guys all of the jeans, then I will go look up comparable sold listings on Poshmark. And I'll come back and tell you guys which jeans I think can sell for more than $15. If they can sell for more than $15, I will be keeping them and listing them in my Poshmark closet. If the comparable sold listings are less than $15, then I will let you guys buy them if you want for 2 for $10 or 3 for $15 plus shipping. And otherwise, I will just redonate them. All right, let's get started. Hopefully that was quick enough. That was less than 1 minute. Yay! Really quick intro. Now let's go into what is in this ThredUp jean DIY box. In the first box, there were more pants with issues by far than the box I got a few months ago. So let's hope we don't get a lot of jeans with issues in this one. All right, so this one cost me $24. Really? Maybe I got 2 of them that were 15 pounds in. $24 and 15 pounds. Okay, so maybe I did get 2 of them that were the new price. Just like the last one, it has tissue paper on top. And just like the last one, it has some padding underneath. Okay, so first we have a pair of Banana Republic classic skinny size 10 jeans. These look to be in very nice condition. I don't see any flaws with them. I'm guessing these are going to be similar to the Ann Taylor Loft jeans, where they're really nice jeans, but their comps are probably going to be around $15. Again, I will look these all up after I'm done going through this, and then I will come back and give you guys a summary of what I found out. Next is a brand I am not familiar with, Wit Wisdom. They are size 8, and they are a pair of skinny jeans, very dark wash. They look pretty nice. Hopefully this is a good pair. I'll find out when I look up the comps. Next up is Miss 60 Basic Italy extra low tie. So Miss 60, these are made in Italy. Usually made in Italy is a good sign, but I don't know about these jeans. So they're size 28. Again, made in Italy, and they are boot cut. Next is a pair of blue Asphalt. These jeans I know aren't gonna have good comps. Blue Asphalt, they are a size 3. And they are black skinny jeans. Again, so far I don't see any issues with the 4 pairs of jeans I pulled out so far. Next we have No Boundaries. Definitely not gonna have good comps on this one. No Boundaries, size 1 jeans. Next, oh, we got another pair of Citizens Humanity. These are the low waist flare jeans. Then next pair is Gap Ultra Low Rise, size 14. Oh, and they are a cropped pair of jeans. These look expensive. What's the brand gonna be? Yay! Rag & Bone! I love this brand. Awesome. Okay, other flaws. Please don't be flaws on these. Oh my gosh, they look actually like they're in super good condition. Size 26, Rag & Bone black leggings. Oh shoot, they have a little bit of the pulling. I noticed with these really expensive jeans that they often have this pulling right in this section. So they do have a little bit of that. I'm gonna guess they're still gonna sell for a decent amount because it's not too bad. And other than that, they're in perfect condition. But I will look up comps and look these over a little bit more thoroughly when I come back, before I come back. Next, another pair of Rag & Bone jeans. Okay, another pair of Rag & Bone. These are more worn than the last pair. They just have like a little bit of pilling on the top section, but still, I'm gonna guess these will still sell for a decent amount. So, and these are the same size, so size 26. Okay, cool. And it's interesting because, like, look at the color difference. These are much more washed out than these are. But hopefully, I don't know, I can sell these for a decent amount. Excited about those, yay. All right, next, this tag looks nice. G-Star. Haven't heard of this brand, but the tag looks pretty cool. And it says G-Star Originals Raw. All these tags look expensive. They have like, look at this, they have like 6 tags inside. Okay, size 26. They're the Lynn Skinny. And they have fabric, or not, what's it called? Garment care in like a million different languages. So, this is what the jeans look like, and the pockets. I've never heard of this, but I'm hopeful that this will be good. Oh, I see here, American Eagle. American Eagle skinny stretch size 0. These will probably be one I won't list. All right, we're down to about 5 more. Oh, another pair of Wit Wisdom. I hope this brand is good. Like I said, it looks familiar, but my mind can't connect whether it's a good or bad brand. So, Wit Wisdom, size 0. These are a skinny jean. Then, Buffalo by David Bitton. I know I've looked up this brand because I always feel like it should be an expensive brand. But again, I'll look up the comps to see what they look like. It's a bootcut pair of jeans, and they are size 24. Next are BDG by Urban Outfitters, and they are size 28. They're the Kick Flare high-rise crop. They're distressed at the knee, distressed at the bottoms. All right, we have 2 pairs left. Next, I don't know exactly what this brand is, but I know it's not an expensive brand. I don't know if this is the Forever 21 jean tag, or I can't remember what company this is. I'll figure it out when I'm looking up comps, but I'm about 99% certain these don't have very high comps. All right, and the last pair, oh, it is a pair of overalls. Oh my gosh, this is cute. Okay, this is the exact same brand as my last box. I wonder if they just got like a ton of these or something. So it is the Cara brand, new with tags. That I got the same thing. I got Cara new with tags in the last box. There are these overalls. Seriously, these are really freaking cute. Let me see if I can back up. So they are these overalls. And they have the distressed raw hem on the bottom. Let's see if I can find any issues. Okay, we have a clothespin. We have more than one clothespin. So what's wrong with them? Looks like some... Oh, it's missing... Okay, so it's missing the sizing mechanism. It's missing it on this side. We'll see what this style and this brand sold comps look like, and I'm probably gonna keep these either way. And then hopefully so I can sell them to someone who will be able to replace that, or will just wear it with the pin in it or something. So I'll see what the sold comps look like for this style, and then take off a little bit for the fact that it has a missing adjuster. Okay, so that is all the jeans. I will now go look up comps and come back and tell you guys which ones I'm going to sell and which ones I'm not going to sell, and what my expected profit is based on those numbers. So I've looked up the comps and I've decided I'm going to keep 7 out of 16 in the box, which is by far the most I've kept from any box. So I'm going to go through the 9 first that I'm not keeping. Alright, first are the Forever 21 jeans. No surprise here. They're the size 29 gray Forever 21 jeans. So the comps on those were $10, $9, $12, $6, $12, and $10. Next are the Buffalo by David Bitton jeans. These are size 24. And the comps on these were $5, $8, and $15. When I looked in a size 24, there was only those 3 sold comps that were pre-owned. Then there were 3 sold that were new with tags, and those were $30, $7, and $20. So, not gonna list those. Next up are the American Eagle jeans. They are the skinny stretch style, and they are size 0. So the comps on those were 17, 10, 10, 15, 15, 10, and 12. So a lot of 10s and a 17, 15, and 12. Next are the Miss 60 Italy, made in Italy jeans. And these were the size 28, I think. Yep, size 28. Comps on those were quite a bit more variable than usual. So 15 and 30. Then 3 of them that were $5, so 5, 5, and 5. Then 12, 15, and 15. So I guess there was just the one that was like $30, so it was really outside of the rest of them. Next are the blue Asphalt jeans. Again, not surprised with this, I'm gonna see this brand a lot. They are juniors size 3, and they are black skinny jeans. Comps for those were 18, 15, 5, 3, 5, and 4. So 4 of the first 6 solds that came up were under $5. You know that's a bad sign. Next are the Gap Ultra Low Rise cropped jeans, size 14. I actually have a little bit of hope for these because they are a larger size, which usually the comps are a little bit better on the larger sizes because there's more demand for those sizes. But the comps were not good on that. $5, $11, $10, $9, $8, $8, and $14. Next are the Banana Republic jeans. These are size 10, and they are the classic skinny again. Comps for these were $9, $10, $20, $10, $20, $22, $8, and $18. So about half and half between $10 and $20. Next are the No Boundary jeans. Again, no surprise here. Size 1, no boundary jeans. Comps for those were 8, 9, 9, 13, 12, 3, and 10. So most were under $10. And then the final pair that I'm not going to list are the Wit Wisdom size 0 jeans. So if you guys remember, I got 2 pairs of jeans from this brand, and I've decided I'm going to list one and not list one. So the size 0 I won't be listing, but the size 8 I will be listing. So the size 0, the comps were pretty variable. Okay, so listen, it's $30, $5, $12, $6, $10, $15, $25, $20, $15, $8, and $6. So more than half of those are below $10, but then you've got in there a $25, a $30. But when more than half are selling for less than $10, I'm not going to take the time to list it. But with the bigger size, the comps were better. So here are the Wit Wisdom size 8 skinny jeans. These are also in better condition than the size 0 ones because, yeah, there's like, I don't see any flaws with these. Whereas the size 0, they had some pulling on the backside. So the comps for the size 8 were $30, $36, $18, $18, $32, $35, and $34. So nothing below $18 in the first like 10 to 12 comparable sold listings. So I'm gonna say I can get $30 for these jeans is what I'm hoping. Okay, so that was the first one I'm keeping, and now let's go into the 6 others that I'm going to keep. First are the BDG jeans. BDG I don't normally pick up, but I was hopeful when I saw the style on these because they are high-rise and they have the raw hem, which has been in style. So the style again was kick flare high-rise cropped. And the comps on these were $30, $16, $24, $20, $24, and $28. So about $25 on average, and that's what I'm hoping I can get for these. And I didn't see any flaws on them that were not meant to be there. So I think 25 is reasonable for these. Next up are the G-Star jeans. I was happily surprised with the comps on these. So again, these are the size 26 jeans. The comps, I pulled a lot of comps on this one. Okay, so we got $35, $18, $20, $39, $20, $18, $35, $18, $20, $40, and $50. So the lowest was $18, highest was $50, and I'm gonna go in the middle and say $30 is my expected sale price on those. Next are the Citizens of Humanity jeans, and these are the low waist flare, and they are size 27. So comps on these were $54, $30, $5. So like, look how variable it is: $54, $30, and $5. Then $25, $20, $37, $15, $20, and $38. So these are a little bit worn on the hem, which is probably how they got in this box. So I'm gonna go a little bit on the low end of those comps and say $25 for these jeans. Next we have the Cara, C-A-A-R, new tagged overalls with the missing adjuster strap. So there aren't a ton of sold listings for this brand on Poshmark. So it looked like the average sold listing by that brand's about $30. So given that it doesn't have the adjuster on the strap, I'm gonna say $20 is reasonable for what I could get for those jeans. And then finally we have the two pairs of Rag & Bone jeans. So they're both size 26, they're both black. The lighter colored one are the high rise, and the really dark ones are, the regular leggings. So the high rise leggings actually had better comps, which I'm not too surprised by because everybody likes the high rise style. Not everybody, but most people like the high rise style. So the comps on those black high rise leggings in a size 26 for Rag & Bone were $34, $31, $40, $24, $20, $42, $40, $28, $30, and $35. And the one that sold for $28 was in worse condition than these. So I'm gonna say these can sell for $30. So the average was probably about 38 to probably 35 to 38. So I'm gonna say these can sell for $30. And then the other pair, the ones that are not high rise but they are in nicer condition, the darker black color, the comps on those was 36, 34, 50, 38, 35, 30, 31, and 40. So all above 30, all below 50, but most are in the $30 to $40 range, so I'm gonna go with $35 on these. So for the 7 I'm keeping, that comes out to a sales price of $195. Poshmark will take 20%, which is $39. I paid $24 for the box, which leaves me with a profit of $132, which is my double my profit on each of the other 2 boxes. So again, if you guys enjoyed this video, stay tuned. I have 2 more coming out. If you haven't seen my first one, go check that out. There's definitely some similarities with this box and some differences. Again, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And if you want to get notified when those other videos come out, turn on the notifications and you will be notified. You just click the bell icon next to the subscribe button. And as always, I will be putting out a new video soon. Thank you for watching.